the planet Venus and invoking the energy of the planet Venus, because in my philosophy of astrology, I believe that the planets are living energies that we work with and that we can embody and we can call on for assistance. So I'm just going to take a moment now to bring yourself into this time, into this place, into your body, using your breath. You can open or close your eyes, whatever feels most comfortable. And imagine a time when you felt pleasure. It could be a memory, far back or recent. Imagine a time, it could be the same time or a different time, when you felt very receptive. Imagine a time when you enjoyed beauty. Imagine a time when you felt love and loving. And allow yourself now to expand those feelings of love, appreciation, receptivity. Expand them as much as you can in this moment. Just turn up the dial as far as you feel comfortable turning that up. I'm going to light a candle on my end. And as I light this candle and we feel these experiences of love and pleasure, appreciation of beauty, we invoke Venus in all her power and ask that she be gentle with us in her shadow and join us as we get to know her even better.